Have you ever had this happen? You hop on the Ducati XDiavel. You're just sitting there staring at this beast of a bike and it's like, really? Now? Next thing you know, you're Googling battery replacements instead of hitting the twisties. All right, folks, here's the deal. We're diving into this. Grab your tools and let's get after it. First up, we need a 3mm hex socket to pop off the front cover. Easy enough, right? But wait, let's hit that side cover next. Oh, and for the bottom pan cover, yeah, you're going to need a 4mm hex socket. Get under there and remove all those screws. Don't leave any stragglers. Now, back to the side cover. Before we yank it off, we've got to deal with the controls. I've got mine in the mid position, but you might have forward controls, or maybe yours are set back. Either way, the process is the same. Heads up though, these bolts are locked down pretty tight. Get them out, move the controls aside, and focus on that plastic pull pin. Pry up the middle piece, then pop it out cleanly. Next up, trickle charger fuse check. If it's blown, swap it out. After that, we're tackling the battery. Start by pulling the positive and negative posts. Use pliers to stabilize where you loosen them and yank the battery out. Now, here's a pro tip. Double check that the new battery matches the old one. If it's good, peel off the sealing tape. Time to prep the acid pack. Remove the packaging, push hard to break that seal, and let it drain into the battery. This part takes patience, maybe 20 minutes or so. Once it's done, slap the cover on to keep the battery acid inside. While that's settling, grab your nut hardware and get it ready. Back to the fuse. Swap out that blown one with a fresh pick from your multi-pack. Always have extras on hand, trust me. Pop the new fuse in and then drop the battery back into the box. Slide it snug into your Ducati XDiavel and lock down the post tight. Now, let's button this beast up, install the side cover, secure it with the screws, and don't forget that push pin. Get that bottom pan cover back on and screw it down tight. You want everything solid. Bolt the controls back into place and tighten the brake fluid reservoir. Finally, put the front cover on and secure the screws. That's it, people. We're all buttoned up. Now fire up and hit the road. It's time to ride.